Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed guide on upgrading the RAM in your Lenovo Yoga 720 15 IKB. This process can significantly improve your laptop's performance, especially if you multitask or run demanding applications. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential for your safety and to avoid any electrical damage. Now, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are typically near the center of the motherboard. If you're replacing existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module to release it. If you're adding new RAM, align the notches on the RAM stick with the slot and press down firmly until the clips click into place. While you're inside the laptop, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your device. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Our professional diagnosis is without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before committing to any repairs. After you've installed the new RAM, carefully replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the casing. Finally, reconnect the battery if you removed it, plug in your laptop, and power it on. To check if the RAM has been successfully upgraded, right-click on the Start menu and select System. Here, you'll see the installed RAM listed under Installed RAM. If everything looks good, you're all set to enjoy improved performance. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in our services. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient solution to your laptop needs. Thank you for following this guide and happy computing. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.